Okay, hello. Let's continue to talk about side and the borderline and land. What about? And as you see, one example. This is about sea. I guess people know about sea in the world. This is a kind of sculpted inside of land, have a sea connected with all the way outside to the other sea. Yeah. So how we recognize by the land and between the sea is obviously you see this is a already made it kind of line. This is sea, this is land, and not closed, right? If you closed inside of the sea, it's another topic. This is the open sea, so you can see the whole sea, just can go outside. So once we talk about the Earth's land size, existence, all existence, and the sea is bigger than land, and biggest, right? So this is a connection between the sea has is when we talk, the sea is bigger than land. It's connected. And there's another one. This is a Black Sea. So Black Sea, as you see, obviously, is closed, not an open sea. The sea of the lake, like lake, has the inside of the land. Has an obvious size of the sea you can see from inside of the land. So when we talk about this topic, yeah, except that it has a little river connecting to the sea, but this is obviously closed here. We don't have any connection. Yeah, only small connection. Yeah, only small connection. So compared to this one, it's huge difference. This one is closed. So when we talk about the size, yeah, we can say the land is bigger than this sea, but still in topic. So sometime for the very specific the right to talk, if even one river inside of land, it will have a connection with all the ocean. So that's the biggest. So when we talk about land, we never miss the ocean, the water inside of the land, because obviously the ocean is bigger than land, so we have to talk about it. If according to how our land following the borderline make to become our country, the size, how big it is. I guess everybody understanding what I talk about, what I say. This is a very beginning of what we obvious can see, and then we all know about this earth, what exists. So very basis we can figuring out and then knowing from the between sea and land how our land, the borderline made out by this. Naturally, land came up. So this is a very basic knowledge of the borderline of the size of the land if you want to get know better and how the land made a decision of the sculpt of the shape of the borderline, and all the history, all the things, all the army of the troop military thing happening all the time. Yeah, it's a land topic, basically. Borderline is a land topic. So once if you see the sea inside of land, that is a huge topic. You cannot miss because it exists. So I guess everybody think that when you see the map, why the country is massive big, but our country is very small size. Yeah, you don't understand, right? You think, why don't we just separate very equally, that no one think of this and then we can make everybody understanding? But not like that. The earth, following the map, what today's existence of what we have, what we see from, and what we talk about from what you exactly see. It's sometimes depend the places, depend the direction, region, and also following the ground, what you made of, and everything actually, very bottom of the naturally of the earth made of, the places you choose, the places you born, could be change, not change, but could be it's sometimes difficult to change. Yeah. But for the explanation, I can tell Baltic Sea and Black Sea, the two differences for the bases. Hope you understanding a little bit better for land you live in today. Of course, also we not only these two type of the sea sculpt shape, we have a more and little lake. Even some places we never really focus on, but actually those kind of places are all made by the decision of how we live in today, the land of a sculpted shape by the borderline. The borderline is made by our hands of the human. We made, not naturally, the earth, what exactly from the beginning look like. So this is we never cannot ignore ourselves, what we talk and what we make things appear to make existence, but for everybody. So we always, actually I always focus on the map. I hope the map is real for the beginning of the truth for belief. Actually, I really want to see this traveling around the world, see all the places by my own eyes, how exactly the shape, how exactly the places look like. I really want to do that, but sometimes it's huge. It's very difficult, but okay, today I'm only following the map to talk about this topic. Yeah, there's many places when you following the map, when you arrived, you see the places, right? Actually, you will find a place where exactly map drawing for. So mostly, I wouldn't say that it's 100% is true, but mostly high percentage of the truth is drawing the map. So kind of can believe, but not still 100%. Yeah. So all the places in the map, any detail is all the topic we follow, we living, we standing because we touching. When people touching thing, you talk, you know what it is, right? Same. So what you see from the vision of the map, you know where it is, what it is, and what kind of shape it is, and what has there, and which country area it is. Everything. This kind of other topic you talk when you're born in a place, you cannot change. So because the inside of the borderline already made up its own country, one country, only when you want to change. It's huge change, not little. It's huge change, and not easy, not usual normal occasion can change the borderline usually. Yeah, that's all about borderline and geographic map and land of the earth. Yes, hope you get interested in about more land we live and more we loving each other, and hope the war will finish soon. That's all. Bye bye.